Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today, I'm here to talk about a way which can help you to earn up to $1,000 a month from Snapchat. And let me tell you that I'm not here to talk about Spotlight Rewards program of Snapchat. I'm about to talk about a new way or a new program that is Snapchat Ads Monetization program, which is recently launched by Snapchat. So the program is Snapchat Ads Monetization program. Now, let me tell you that under this program, you will be paid between 1 to $5 per thousand views. And for instance, I would say you can earn between 1,000 to $5,000 for a million views, and which obviously depends upon audience, location, and watch time. Now, here are some terms and some requirements which you need to fulfill to get qualified and paid under this program. So the first term is that you must be 18-year old, and the second term is that the total watch time need to be at least 15,000 hours of public view time over the last 28 days, and you need to have at least 50,000 followers. So if you are fulfilling these terms, you will be qualified to receive money under the Snapchat's ads monetization program. So what are you waiting for? Start creating content and start pulling some stories on Snapchat and start getting paid. So that's it for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.